my jam here. We are today. Today is Saturday. My dad is leaving to get some more. We got fireworks as I forgot about the other vlog. Yesterday we had fireworks. Shot these stuff. These are fun. These are, I think, these are more fun. They're a little loud, but it's pretty fun. We got grenades. We got grenades. So my dad's going town. My dad's gonna get I'm gonna get purple and green. I think they're red, blue, red or something. So we're gonna get two more, which I'm gonna have two, and he's gonna have two. That means we're like, hold on. Sorry, hold on. Okay, I'm back. Yeah. So my dad game. We're gonna have 6 each. So I just counted and see how many. So my so Heather whoever Marno versus Heather. So Heather's, I think, Heather's gonna be coming over to the pool. Pool's open. I was in the pool. Had to get changed because tonight we're gonna have more fireworks. The grenades are kind of cool, and the rockets I just showed you, they're kind of loud. They're loud, but they're awesome. They flew, and I don't know. I have video in the picture. I have mostly videos of the rocket stuff and other ones, but I'm having cereal. I'm gonna watch Netflix so then figure out what I'm gonna do, and some of my mom's is coming. Looks like she's out there. So yeah, anyway, see when Heather gets here, or see when Heather gets here and the fireworks. Exactly, that's what. Say what's up!
Oh no, that's not good. What was that?
I hope you enjoy the video. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, click the bell icon, and the last firework, I know the name I had to saw across. So me and my little brother are gonna go in the pool and have fun for tonight. We're having a fire. If you notice that fire tonight. See you in the next episode. Bye.